Mayor, putuli naman itong paa ko bukas. Pero pag nabuhay ako, bigyan mo ako ng paa. Alam mo, umiyak talaga ako, pero hindi ko pinahalata. Pinalikan ko ang bata, sabi ko, tandaan mo. Pag wala akong maibigay sa iyo ng paa, itong isang paa, ipalipat ko sa iyo.
Ngayong araw po na ito ay feature natin itong Children Cancer Program. Isa po itong programa ng government, of course, in general. Meron yan. Lahat ng ospital, tinutulungan yung mga pasyente na may cancer na mga kabataan. And not only kabataan po. In the city of Davao, the same din. Old and new, tinutulungan pa rin ng gobyerno. Particularly dito sa Southern Philippines Medical Center. Isa sa pinakamalaking hospital sa buong Mindanao is located in Davao City. Last week, pinalabas po natin yung drug rehabilitation program under Mayor Rudy Duterte. Long time ago, hindi pa siya presidente po, ay sinimula na ni Mayor Rudy Duterte ang rehabilitation program para sa mga may tama sa droga or drug abuse. At ito po ay malaking tulong not only in Davao City but as well as sa buong Mindanao. But again, the same with the drug abuse rehabilitation program. Matagal na po na tinutulungan ni Mayor Rudy Duterte itong cancer, children with cancer, no? Children's Cancer Institute, na kung saan po yung mga kabataan ay binibigyan ng focus. When I say focus, talagang nakasenter po doon sa pamilya at saka sa biktima, particularly yung mga kabataan na may cancer.
Southern Philippines Medical Center, or SPMC, is a government tertiary hospital that provides comprehensive pediatric cancer care for children across Mindanao. Our Children's Cancer Institute delivers the full continuum of care, from diagnosis, accurate pathology, to chemotherapy, supportive care, and long-term follow-up.
And I remember, binisita ko po ito one time. Ang problema kasi nito, number one, yung sustainability. Alam mo, pag may cancer ka, napakahirap po. You have to sustain it kasi magkakaroon ng mga blood transfusion, magkakaroon ng mga blood test, almost every week. Depende po doon sa gravity ng level ng anong klaseng cancer tumama sa iyo at ano pa. Kaya, ang nangyayari dito ay yung kabataan ay napakahirap po yung mga parents, ang situation nila. And nanggagaling pa sa ibang probinsya ng Mindanao. At ito ay tinutulungan ni President Rudy Duterte.
We care for children with leukemia, lymphoma, solid tumors, and other childhood cancers, while also addressing psychosocial needs as well as their education. And through the Mindanao Pediatric Cancer Care Network, our service extend beyond the walls of SPMC.
I just want to emphasize na hindi pa presidente si President Rudy Duterte, mayor pa, ay parati na sa dyan sa Davao Medical Center, particularly doon sa children. Imagine ilang taon na niya ginagawa ito. Even nung presidente pa siya, pupunta siya dito sa lungsod ng Davao at binibisita. He makes sure na nabibisitahan niya yung ating mga kabataan. Ganon po kalaki ang puso ni President Rudy Duterte. Nagkakamali po lahat yung akusasyon ninyo na itong tao na ito ay marami kayong sinasabi sa kanya, but he is a good person. He has a big heart, particularly sa mga kabataan. Now, in the case of cancer, tinutulungan ni President Duterte. So sinabi ko nga, from drug rehabilitation to pediatric cancer care, division was always clear sa kanya. May clarity yung kanyang social holistic approach program of the city of Davao.
As a regional referral center and through the Mindanao Pediatric Cancer Care Network, we ensure that care is accessible and coordinated. When families cannot come to us, we bring care closer to them by working with partner hospitals and healthcare providers throughout the region. Above all, our mission is to provide holistic and multidisciplinary care to all children and adolescents with cancer through compassionate and competent service, collaborative research, and excellent training.
Ito po ang gusto nating i-feature sa inyo na from drug rehabilitation ng kabataan, hindi pa siya presidente at ito ay tumutulong na long time ago. At kasali dito yung Children with Cancer na programa po ni President Rudy. Hanggat sa muli, this is Councilor Danny Dayanghirang, ang ganda ng Pilipinas. Mahalin po natin ito. Till next time, see you again. Bye-bye for now.
A political analyst, Danny Dayonghirang, shares his commentaries and analysis on the latest issues. As a veteran public servant, offering his insights and critical thinking. As an educator, he speaks the truth that matters. Our seasoned legislator, Danny Dayonghirang, is live every Monday, Wednesday, and Fridays at 6:30 to 7:30 p.m. via Facebook. Follow us on our social media platforms for more details. Mahalin natin ang Pilipinas.